Hey everyone, Mike Mulligan here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am a certified orientation and mobility specialist. And today in this video, I just want to talk a little bit about what is the future of orientation and mobility in regards to technology. So what technology out there or that's coming down the pipeline will be really beneficial for the blind and visually impaired community to travel safely and independently within their environments. And in this video, I'd really like it to be a discussion. So if you have any comments about anything that I talk about, please feel free to add it below this video in the comments section. All right, let's do this. So there are so many different technologies out there that are already helping the blind and visually impaired community. But what does the future hold? So what technologies are going to be coming out that will really revolutionize and change the way blind and visually impaired people do certain things? And one area that I think really needs some focus and some study and some development is orientation and mobility. So how blind and visually impaired people get around their environment safely. And there's a few things in development that I think would be really helpful, and I'm looking forward to these continuing to progress. And one that most people know and everyone is aware of is self-driving cars. So self-driving cars are in development. It seems like they're in all different stages by many different companies. But one thing I want to note here is that these cars, when they do come out, will be really great for the blind and visually impaired community because then it eliminates a big obstacle, which is transportation. Living in New Hampshire, a lot of areas are rural and it's really difficult for people who can't drive to get to different places. So having a self-driving car option would really be great. And another thing to note with that is these cars, hopefully, they design them to be accessible for people with all sorts of disabilities, including blindness. So hopefully, I think it's important that we keep bringing this up with these companies that are building these self-driving cars, that these cars would be accessible. So another pretty cool piece of technology that I think could be helpful in the future for the blind and visually impaired community are robotic dogs. So right now these are being developed in Boston and are already starting to show some pretty useful features. They're able to guide sheep or herd sheep like a sheepdog. They also are able to patrol parks and make sure people are socially distancing during this pandemic time. So I've been considering, what about these dogs as guides for the blind? What if they were able to be automated? You plug in an address, they know how to get there, and you can either hold onto a harness or follow behind them, and then they would alert you when a street is safe to cross. So this is just an idea. I don't know what you think about it, so if you have some thoughts, please comment below. So that's just another piece of technology that may be helpful for the blind and visually impaired community in the future. And then one other piece of technology I briefly want to mention is, what about drones? So drones are becoming more sophisticated day by day. They're getting smaller, they're getting cheaper, they're more efficient. What about using drones as guides for people who are blind or visually impaired? I know there's a lot of regulations out there with FAA where you can fly these things and how well they work. So I'm looking down the line here. Maybe someday these drones could be automated enough that they know exactly how to get to an address. They have cameras so they can detect maybe when it's safe to cross the street or when there's an obstacle in the way. So I know this is a little bit early in the thinking process, but what about in the future having drones be guides for the blind? So let me know what you think below in the comments. And I just want to show you a quick example of what it might look like if somebody was using a drone as a guide. So I experimented with my nephew who flies a drone, so it's not automated, it doesn't go automatically at this point, but I was able to follow along to the sound of the drone while I was using a white cane. So here, take a look at this. So here's a quick clip of me following a small flying drone along a park path while I'm using a white cane. So obviously there's more technology out there that I've definitely not covered in this video, and there's probably stuff out there that I am not even aware of. So if you know of something that you think would be helpful in regards to technology and orientation and mobility, please add in the comments below. That way I could explore it a little more. And I do think it's important that the blindness community gets involved at the early stages of these technological advances or designs. That way they become accessible and really have the community in mind. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this video got you thinking a little bit. And if you're feeling interested and you're up for it, please subscribe to my channel here. And if you click that little bell icon, you'll be alerted when a new video is available. And have a wonderful day.